So I'm going to be showing you guys literally how to actually apply for monetization on YouTube, right? So for you to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And the good news is that one of my students who attended my training last year, his channel has actually gotten to monetization threshold, right? He has qualified to be monetized. And in today's video, we're going to be applying for the monetization, and you are going to watch me do. As a matter of fact, we're going to be doing it together, me and you that is watching this video right now. Let me give you guys a little background. So last year, I held a YouTube Money Secrets training. One of the students I attended actually started his YouTube channel. And today, he has gotten to the monetization threshold. So I'm going to be showing you how. And the good news is that I am hosting another YouTube Money Secrets training on this Saturday, the 19th of August, 2023. Right, and it's going to be happening from 9 a.m. up until like 3 in the afternoon. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make money on YouTube. Today is going to include how to set up an account, how to monetize your account, how to post videos, how to create content, how to do keyword research so that you can actually create content that people are interested in watching, right? It's going to be a very detailed tutorial, which is exactly what these guys have gone through. And of course, if you do the exact same thing, you're going to be getting the exact same result. So we're going to go to my screen right now, and we're going to be walking through this process for actually monetizing, getting this YouTube channel monetized. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and what I do is that I make videos around making money online. So I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So I want to encourage you right now to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button if you've not done that, so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it, guys. Let's go to my laptop screen and let me show you guys exactly how to get a YouTube channel, a new YouTube channel monetized right now. So this is his YouTube channel right here. And this is the channel name right here. So what I'm going to do is to just come here, basically, come here and go to YouTube Studio, right? It's Damn Empire. So I'm going to come here and go to a YouTube Studio, right? So what he does basically is that he gives you signals to trade Forex, right? And so I'm going to be leaving his YouTube link in my description below. So click on it, go to his channel if you're actually interested in trading Forex. Free signals, if you're actually interested in that, he's going to help you achieve that. So right now, you see his YouTube channel, he has gotten 30,000 views total. 12 days ago, he got to 30,000 views. Excuse me. So right now, he has 1,455 subscribers right now. So which is more than the 1,000 subscribers that you need to get monetized on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is to come here and go to N, where it says N, and it says apply to YouTube Partner Program. So as a partner, you can earn money, get creator support, and more. So I'm going to click on apply now, but there's many other ways to earn money on YouTube, which is watch page ads, short feed ads, supers, membership, and shopping. And these are some of the things that I'm going to be talking about in my training this Saturday. So it's important for you to actually be a part of that training, right? So this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to hit apply now, right? And it says review base term. Read these terms carefully as they apply to your participation in the YouTube Partner Program. So I'm going to say start. It's going to show me all of this. So take your time and go through all of this. I'm actually joking. But of course, if you want to go through it, go through it. But you don't have an option. Whether you agree or not, you have to hit accept base terms and accept terms, basically, right? So, okay, so this is loading up right now. So just chill for a minute. So this is done, right? So the next thing right now is to say sign up for Google AdSense. This is very important. So I'm going to say start, right? And it says you will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. Do you have an existing AdSense account? If you have one, please select that you have, because Google will not allow you to create 2 AdSense accounts. Even if you have 10 different YouTube channels, you're going to be linking them and getting paid with just one AdSense account, right? This is very, very important that I mention this. So I'm going to come here, select this, and say, no, I do not have an existing account. If you have an existing account, please select yes, that you have an existing account. But this Diamond doesn't have one, so I'm going to say, no, I don't have an existing account. So the next thing, I'm going to come here and hit continue, right? So it says choose an account. So I'm going to choose the same email. You can actually use a different email, but it's safer to use the same email. So I'm going to come here. It's going to say select this, the YouTube URL is showing here automatically. His name, Diamond Arido. So yeah, your website, his name and stuff. So I'm going to come here and say get more out of AdSense. No, send me, don't send me customized help. So it depends, whatever, this is optional. You can choose anything you want. So I'm going to say no, because I don't want a lot of junk emails coming to my email. It's not junk really. It's actually, some of them are actually very profitable. So I'm going to come here, select your territory account. This is very important. please do not select a country that you do not have identification for those countries, right? Select your country where you have an international passport, a driver's license, because you're going to be verifying this account with one of those documents. I'm going to come here and he say, select this country and the territory, and come all the way down and select his country, which is Nigeria, basically, right? Select Nigeria, and it says review terms of service, this, that. You scroll down to the bottom and read everything. Once you're done, you come here and say, yes, I accept, and I have read and accept the agreement. I'm going to say create account, and this account is going to be created. So his account has been created, right? So it's asking us for customer information. So this is where you put in your name, your real name, the name that is on your ID card. That is what is going to show up right here. Then your address, your location where you live, right? You're going to put it right here, right? Suburb, your address, basically your postcode, your state, your phone number, and everything. Then you're going to hit submit. So we're going to be doing that real quick. Put in the postcode and every other thing, right? And this is the address. This is the state, basically. So the phone number is optional. You can either add it or not. So I've put in all this information right here. So I'm going to hit submit right now. Yeah. So I hit submit, and it says redirecting to YouTube. We're directing you to YouTube where you can continue your setup and start using AdSense. So I'm going to hit redirect, and it's going to take us back to YouTube. So right now, our AdSense application is being reviewed. And once the review is done, of course, it's going to be approved, basically, right? Because we did the right thing. So right here, it says AdSense in progress, right? So after that, it gets reviewed, and you automatically join the YouTube partner program, right? They will now talk about getting his PIN and putting his account information where YouTube is going to be paying him every single month. We're going to be doing all of that as soon as this AdSense review is done by Google, right? And this takes about 24 hours at most. So by this time tomorrow, this should be done, right? And we can move into the next phase of doing all of that. And the completion of this particular video, I'm going to be talking about, we're going to be looking at it on Saturday, right? So it's important for you guys to be a part of that trade. Now, this is what I'm going to do. The flyer for that trade is showing up right here, right now. So all you need to do is to make payment into the account number, or you can actually chat me up or one of my associates, right, with the number that is showing on your screen right now. Now, any other number that you're going to be seeing in the comment section is a scammer. It is not from me, and it's not from us, right? So the only number with which you can contact us is the number that is showing on your screen right now. So contact that number on WhatsApp, or click on the first link in the video description, and it's going to take you straight to WhatsApp, where you can contact us and tell us that you are interested in this particular training, the YouTube Money Secret training on Saturday, 19th of August 2023, or we can give you the account numbers to pay into and how you can actually be a part of that training. Now, this training is happening in Zoom. It is not a physical location. So you can join this training with your phone, with your laptop, and you're going to be seeing me live because I'm going to be teaching from 9 a.m. up until like 2 in the afternoon, right? And we're going to be leaving no stone unturned. So if you want to actually change your financial life using YouTube in 2023, this is an opportunity for you. And then, just like I've done for all of these people, I'm ready to do the same thing for you, because when you are happy and when you are successful, I am happy as well. So until I see you in my next video or inside of the training on Saturday, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.